Numerical 1. A horizontal force of 500 Newton pulls two masses 10 kg and 20 kg lying on a frictionless table connected by a light string. What is the tension in the string? Does the answer depend on which mass and the pull is applied? Solution. It is given that M1 is 10 kg, M2 20 kg and force acting is 500 Newton. Two cases are there. Here direction of force in this direction and direction of force is in this direction. So first of all we solve first case. Here direction of force is in this direction. We know that force equal to mass into acceleration. Here total mass is 10 plus 20 30 kilogram. So 30 into acceleration. Force is given, that is 500 Newton equal to 30 A, or A equal to 500 over 30, 50 over 3 meter per second square. Now here we see this mass M1 and tension is in this direction. So in the free body diagram it has only one force that is acting in this direction, T1. So we have T1 equal to mass into acceleration. Acceleration is 50 over 3. We get 500 over 3 equal to 166.67 Newton. Answer. Second case, when we apply force to the 10 kilogram mass. Here we take this mass, only one force is acting, that is T2. Here mass is 20 kilogram and force acting is T2. So we have T2 is equal to mass into acceleration. Acceleration is A. So here we put the value of acceleration, that is 50 over 3. We get 1000 over 3, that is equal to 333.33 Newton. Answer. Here we see, if we apply force in this direction, then tension is 166.67 Newton, and when we apply force to this mass 10 kilogram in this direction, then tension is 333.33 Newton. So the answer depend on which mass and force is applied. Numerical 2. Two masses 7 kg and 12 kg are connected at the two ends of a light inextensible string that goes over a frictionless pulley. Find the acceleration of the masses and the tension in the string when the masses are released. Here mass M1 is equal to 7 kg, M2 is equal to 12 kg, and acceleration is 9.8 meter per second square. Here this is M1 and this is M2. Now we know that acceleration is given by m minus m over m plus m into g. We put the values of these quantities. We get 12 minus 7, 12 plus 7 into 9.8, that is equal to 2.58 meter per second square, and tension is given by T equal to 2 mm over m plus m. 2, this mass is 12 this mass 7 over 12 plus 7, that is equal to 86.65 Newton. This is the one way to solve the numerical by using directory formula of acceleration and tension. And another way to solve this numerical is by using free body diagram. Here we see weight of this is acting downward direction, that is equal to 7g, and tension is in upward direction. Here sting is same, so tension here is T, and this mass, its weight is acting downward, that is equal to 12g. Now we apply free body diagram. Here first of all we see this body, the acceleration we assume is in this direction. Here we see the various forces acting on this mass m2, this weight acting downward, and tension in up direction. So we have 12g minus T equal to mass into acceleration. Mass is 12 and acceleration is A. This is equation number 1. And this mass is moving upper direction, so T is more. T minus 7g equal to mass into acceleration, and this mass is 7 and acceleration is A. This is equation 2nd. Adding first and second T cancel, so we have 12g minus 7g equal to 19a, or A is equal to, here we get 5g over 19. So we put the value here 5, gravity is 9.8 over 19, that is equal to 2.58 meter per second square. Now we put the value of acceleration in the equation 1. Put value of A in equation 1. We get 12g minus T equal to 12 into acceleration is 2.58. Here we have T equal to 12g, value of g is 9.8 minus 12 into 2.58, and on solving we get 86.65 Newton answer. Numerical 3. Two bodies of masses 11 kg and 11.5 kg are connected by a long light string passing over a smooth pulley. Find, first part, the velocity of each body at the end of 4 seconds. Second, the height ascended or descended by each as the case may be during that time. And third, if at the end of 4 seconds the string be cut, find the position of each body in the next 2 seconds. Here we have two masses connected to each other by a light string. This is mass A and this is mass B. The various forces acting on these are, here in this mass force acting is 11g, that is weight of this body, and here its weight is 11.5g, that is acting in downward direction, tension in upward direction, tension in upward direction. So solution, here for downward motion, say acceleration is in this direction, for downward motion we have 11.5g minus T equal to mass into acceleration, and mass of this body is 11.5, acceleration is A. This is the equation number 1. For upward motion, we also see here free body diagram. The various forces acting are weight downward and tension upward direction. So we have T minus 11 G equal to mass into acceleration. Mass is 11 and acceleration is A. This is the equation second. Adding first and second, this T cancels, so we have 11.5 G minus 11 G equal to 11.5 plus 11 A, or the value of acceleration is A equal to 11.5 minus 11, and value of G is given, that is 9.8 over 11.5 plus 11. On solving, we get 0.218 meter per second square. So this is the acceleration of the bodies. First part is velocity of each body at the end of 4 seconds. Here V is equal to U plus A T. U is 0, acceleration is 0.218 and time is 4 seconds. So here we get 0.87 meter per second. Second part, we want to calculate the height ascended or descended by each, as the case may be during that time. So height we want to calculate, that is given by S equal to UT plus half AT square. Here initial velocity is 0, time is 4 seconds plus 1 by 2, acceleration is 0.218 and time is 4. On solving, we get this equal to 1.74 meter. And last we want to calculate the, if at the end of 4 seconds the string be cut, find the position of each body in next 2 seconds. Here initial velocity is 0.87 meter per second, as string is cut at the end of 4 seconds, and time is 2 seconds. So we get distance covered is S equal to UT plus half GT square. As we cut the string, the body fall freely. So we take acceleration due to gravity here. So put these values here, we get 0.87 into 2 plus 1 by 2 into 9.8 into 2 square. On solving, we get 21.34 meter answer. Numerical 4. Two blocks of masses 50 kg and 30 kg connected by a massless string pass over a light frictionless pulley and rest on two smooth planes inclined at angles 30 degree and 60 degree respectively with the horizontal. Determine the acceleration of the two blocks and the tension in the string. Take G equal to 10 meter per second square. Solution. Here this is the inclined plane. This angle is 30 degree and this angle is 60 degree. Here mass is of 50 kilogram is connected to the another mass of 30 kilogram. The string is passing over a pulley. Now, the various forces acting on this mass is its weight, that is 50 G is acting downward, and normal reaction say R1 in upper direction. If we extend this, now what is this angle? Here we know that if this angle is theta between the two lines, if we draw line perpendicular to this line and extend it here, and also draw line perpendicular to this line, then these two angles are equal. Here we see this is perpendicular to this line and this is perpendicular to this line, so it means this angle is 30 degree. Now, component of this force along this direction is 50 G sine of 50 G cos of 30 degree, and in this direction it is 50 G sine of 30 degree. Similarly, we apply here its weight is acting downward, that is 30 G. Normal reaction say R2 in this direction. If we extend this, if this angle is 60, it means this angle is also 60. We take the component of this force along this direction, that is 30 G cos of 60 degree, and in this direction 30 G sine of 60 degree. Here tension is in this direction and here tension is in this direction. We are assuming that the bodies are moving in this direction, so acceleration is in this direction. Now up here we see the various forces acting on it. We are to take the motion along this direction, so it means here 50 G sine 30 degree minus T equal to mass into acceleration. This is the equation 1, and for this we have T is more here, so T minus 30 G sine 60 degree equal to mass into acceleration. Say this equation second. Adding first and second, T cancel, we have 50 G sine 30 degree minus 30 G sine 60 degree equal to 80 A. Now we know that value of gravity is given, that is 10 sine 30 degree 1 by 2 minus 30 G 10 sine 60 degree under root 3 by 2 equal to 80 A. On solving we get the value of acceleration A equal to minus 0.12 meter per second square. Here we get the acceleration is negative, so it means bodies are moving in this direction, not in this direction, so acceleration is in this direction. So we write like this: acceleration is 0.12 meter per second square.